Which volcanic hazard is caused by the collapse of an eruptive column, producing a fast-moving cloud of hot ash and gas? Which volcanic eruption type is characterized by its violent explosions, producing a tall column of ash and gas? Which volcanic feature is a large depression formed by the collapse of a volcano after an eruption? Which of these volcanic islands is not associated with a hotspot? Which volcano famously erupted in 1815, causing the year without a summer in 1816?